Okay, welcome back. Let me walk you through the whole project that we are going to build in this course. First of all, we'll start with the home page. In the home page itself, we have so much of features. All right. So this is actually the search box. It's not a very simple search box. We are going to implement the multiple ways of searching for the restaurants. For example, you write the name of the restaurant here and you will get the search result based on that keyword. And also, if you want to search for the restaurants with the food names, then you can just write the food name in this search box and it will show you the restaurants that has the food that you're looking for. Alright, it works the both way. And in this search box we have implemented GeoDjango and Google APIs to work together to show you the results nearby you and within a specific radius. So here in this location box you can type the location name. Maybe if I say Mumbai, so it will show you the list of list of addresses. So this is powered by Google. We have implemented the Google autocomplete service. All right, so with this we can also search for the restaurants within this particular radius. So that's how this search functionalities work. And then we will also be having some super simple design to list down our restaurants. All right, and you see this open and close badges, right? This is not just static badges, it is the dynamic badges. The restaurants can actually set his business hours, and based on that we are calculating the opening and closing time of the restaurant and showing it as a badge. Okay, open or close. If the restaurant is open, will show open or close. Alright, I will show you how to add the restaurant opening hours in a while, and by clicking on this target icon it will get your current location and show you the restaurants nearby you. Okay, so this is the restaurant registration form, and this one is actually the user registration form, or I can say customer registration form. And these registration forms will send the account activation email to the user. He has to verify himself to get the registration successful. Okay, and in case of the restaurant registration, the admin will verify his license and approve him manually, and then his restaurant will be listed in our marketplace. And this is the login page for our customers as well as the restaurants or the vendors. This login form is smart enough to detect whether the logging in user is a customer account or the vendor account. Based on that, it will send him to the respective dashboard. Alright, so let's first log in as vendor and see how it looks. Okay, so this is the vendor dashboard. And in this vendor dashboard you see this cover image and the profile photo, right? Everything is dynamic here, nothing is static. Okay, so if you want to change the profile picture or the cover photo, you can do that from here. We have all the options available in this sidebar. So first of all, let me show you the overview of this dashboard. So this dashboard will actually show you the total orders and the total revenue. Okay, total revenue for this particular ABC restaurant, and also it will show you the current month revenue, and this is the recent orders. And if you want to click on this, you can see the detail of this order. Alright, now let me go to this my restaurants. In this my restaurant you can manage your restaurant profile. So for example, you can update your profile picture, update your cover photo, and restaurant names, address, and other stuff also. So this address box is actually powered by Google. It will show you the Google autocomplete box. Here I want to show you this latitude and longitude. So this latitude and longitude is used to capture the exact position of the restaurant, so that we can use it to search for the restaurants, right? And then we have this menu builder. So this is the very important functionality in this course. So from this menu builder you can create the category, and you can also add the food to that to this particular category. All right, and of course you can add all other stuff also: food title, category, description, price, and food image, and all that. Okay, and this is actually the CRUD functionality, so that's why you will have this edit button and delete button as well. From here also you can delete, and from here also you can delete. And you can also click on this category and you go to the list of food items. Okay, so this is how it is. And after that you will have the opening hours. So from here you can set the opening hours of your restaurant. Okay, so here for example I have set Monday 10 a.m. to 9 p.m, Tuesday 10 a.m. to 6 p.m, and so on. Okay, and also you can remove this opening hour, and this page will not reload. Everything is happening without refreshing the page. Even if you add this Saturday and maybe 9 a.m. to 6:30 p.m, and then click on this add hour, so everything will be added without reloading the page. Okay, and after that we will be showing the orders. So this is the list of orders that we have got for this particular ABC restaurants, right? And of course this is the sign out, and yeah, I will log out and I will log in as the customer. Okay, so this is the customer dashboard. In this customer dashboard also we have some recent orders for this this particular customer, and you can edit your profile from here. So profile picture if you want to edit, and update cover photo and all other things. Okay, and of course this is the my orders, and here we'll be listing all the my all the orders that this particular user has placed. Okay, now let me go to the cart. So currently this cart is empty, and the subtotal is 0 and grand total is 0, and you see this CGST 9% and SGST 7%, right? So this is actually the dynamic tax. Okay, so if you are in India, you know what is CGST and SGST, because in India we have like multiple taxes. So that's why I have implemented the dynamic tax module that will work for almost all the countries. Okay, so now I'll add some food item to the cart. View menu, you can click on the view menu, and here we have listed all the opening hours, and let me add product. So you simply click on this plus and the product will be added to the cart. Here you can see the cart counter will change, right? Plus it has become 3 without reloading the page, and this one and this one also, minus also working. And then after that you go back to this cart, and in this cart page also you can increment the product quantity. Subtotal, tax and total will be calculated without reloading the page. Okay, so you can also delete this cart item. Okay, so let's proceed to checkout. So here I have implemented 2 payment methods. One is PayPal and another one is Razorpay. Okay, so the PayPal is for all the users, and this Razorpay is for the Indian users, because I think Razorpay will not work in any other country except India. Okay, so let me quickly make the PayPal payment. Alright, our order is successful, and this is our order completion page. And we will also be deploying this site on Ubuntu Virtual Private Server with the Nginx and Unicorn, plus custom domain and an SSL. So these are just an overview of major features that we are going to build, but it's impossible for me to show each and every small functionalities in this 10 to 12 minutes overview video. Okay, because the course length is more than 36 hours. We are going to learn and build so many things in this 36 hours, and I'm sure you will like this course. If not, no worries, you get your 100% money back. So don't wait, get yourself enrolled and be a part of this awesome multi-vendor e-commerce course. I'll see you inside.